Let's move on. Let's understand what our market construct is. Fortunately, on the back of global cues and strong ones this morning, you've got the GIFT Nifty indicating a 100-point move up, 127 points higher, back at that 25,000 mark. But Kunal, hi morning. That was not the case yesterday. We struggled sub that mark. Futures as well fell below that. And for a large part, we were around the session lows. What is it that you're making of the market dynamics now?
Yeah, I think what triggered the market yesterday was the market was some heightened volatility which had come back into the indices, because for most part of the session, for at least the first half or so, the indices were trading into a range. Yes, it was into a mild negative bias, but then the second half is where the pace accelerated and the stock specific selling took the indices to much lower levels. So the Nifty fell back below that 25,000 mark. The Bank Nifty also managed to drop by almost 250 points. But the data is not discouraging as such, because we've not seen any major change in the open interest data for both the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. So what's been happening is over the last 4 days, 4 or 5 trading sessions, we've seen unwinding of the Nifty futures by a margin of 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs on an average. Now, yesterday we saw an addition of 25,000 contracts, which means that the major part of the selling seems to be out, and we could be looking at the volatility settling down for the indices. So, expecting the index to remain into a positive range and with lesser amount of volatility than what we've seen over the last few days.
All right, Nooresh, let's get a take from you as to how you're looking at the trader screen and what the outlook is, given the fact that you had PSUs, metals, energy, all at the back foot yesterday.
So we have a different market in the broader space. If you look at the Nifty is at 25,000, but you have something like PSUs which are at 23,500. Then you look at IT, Pharma, FMCG, they're at 26,000. So that's the current structure right now. And this has to change going forward, because IT, Pharma has done quite a bit in the near term, could take a pause. And other sectors could come up going forward. So banks is the crucial one. So for now, we are in a one day up, one day down markets. Once we start sustaining 25,200 or 24,600, that's the point of time we find a new trend. So for now, we are stuck in a very tight band.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.